Imagine Ford buying GitHub or Boeing snapping up Stack Overflow. Now multiply that madness by 10. That is exactly what just happened. On June 16, 2026, SpaceX officially acquired Enosphere for $60 billion. The company sits behind Cursor, the world's most popular AI coding assistant. This dwarfs every major AI purchase in history. It marks the day the boundary between aerospace engineering and software development evaporated completely. The SEC received a Form 8-K filing on June 16. It marks SpaceX's first major acquisition since their IPO on June 3. Their stock jumped over 54% from the $135 IPO price. That rocketed their value to roughly $75 trillion. Now they hold enough cash to swallow the hottest startup in software. Cursor has been absolutely unstoppable. We just passed 1 million paying customers and are pulling in over $2 billion in annual revenue. The company is on track to hit $6 billion before the year wraps up. SpaceX is valued at $60 billion. That means they are paying 20 to 30 times Cursor's current revenue. You usually see those multiples in pitch decks, not SEC filings. Cursor is an AI-powered coding environment built on VS Code's open-source foundation. Unlike generic chatbots, Cursor integrates directly into your workflow. It writes code, it debugs errors, it refactors entire files, it learns from your codebase. It is the difference between asking a librarian to find a book versus hiring a librarian who also writes the book for you. Over 1 million developers pay monthly for Cursor. Tech companies and startups lean on it. Even non-technical founders run their whole workflow through it. Its market share jumped from roughly 30% in early 2025 to an estimated 41% by June. It now claims the top spot ahead of Anthropic's Claude Code. OpenAI's Codex and GitHub Copilot follow far behind. On paper, this acquisition makes perfect strategic sense. SpaceX already commands launch vehicles and the Starlink satellite network. It also runs serious AI research through its xAI subsidiary. Adding Cursor completes a vertical integration that stretches from the physical world to the digital world. Rockets and satellites and chips now connect directly to models and developer tools. Those digital agents will soon control the entire stack. Elon Musk has been merging his companies for months. Earlier this year, he combined SpaceX with xAI at a valuation of approximately $25 trillion. The Cursor acquisition launches a direct fight for the most important battleground in AI today. Whoever controls the tools that build AI systems owns the future. Building better AI now means building AI faster. Companies that hand their engineers superior coding tools pull ahead. SpaceX just bought one of the best. Before this deal, the market was a 3-horse race between Cursor Copilot and Claude Code. Now it has become a 1-horse race with an owner who has endless capital. OpenAI and Anthropic both ship coding products, but neither owns Cursor's massive installed base. Their momentum simply isn't close. Google's Codex is still finding its footing. Microsoft's Copilot is powerful, but locked into the enterprise. Cursor was engineered for speed and developer experience. Now it rides the financial backing of the most valuable private company in history. The timing is deliberate. This announcement dropped just days before Musk and Sam Altman legal battle heads straight to trial. The race for talent, infrastructure, and influence is sharper than ever. Developers will likely keep the free tier. Musk has a proven track record of making powerful tools widely available. The premium pricing strategy, data handling, and feature roadmap will likely pivot towards SpaceX's broader AI ambitions. The bar just moved mountains high. A $60 billion investment means Cursor can outspend every rival on research infrastructure and talent. AI coding tools have officially left the niche phase. They are now a strategic asset worth hundreds of billions. The entire industry just shifted. Brace yourself for more acquisitions and massive funding rounds. The upcoming consolidation will make today's App Store wars look like a minor dispute. Cursor hit a $60 billion valuation during the SpaceX acquisition. That implied equity value landed in a Form 8-K on June 16, 2026. The deal closed after Cursor crossed a major milestone. They had already surpassed 1 million paying customers. By mid-2026, Cursor controlled approximately 41% of the AI coding market. That commanding lead secured its position as the clear market leader. The race is already over. If that made it click, subscribe. We break down the frontier of tech and AI every day.